What's going on, guys? It's Luke. You're going to run through this trade recap of this one trade today that we took on NQ. We ended up catching a very small scalp win. We ended up catching another short later that was a break even. So I'm just going to be talking about this one because this is the only one that actually played out. We ended up catching a super small winner. I took this on MNQ because it was risky, so I didn't want to go heavy on the risk. But this shouldn't take too long. So starting back on the 4 hour, price was within and respecting this 4 hour bullish fair value gap right here. And coming into the session, price had already swept out London low right here. So we had Asia low as a draw down here. And then for buy side, we had London high, and then we had this New York PM high, and then we had this 4 hour bullish fair value gap right here. And what I wanted to see was for price to want to come into this 4 hour bullish fair value gap, tap the CE point, and then potentially catch shorts from here. So I ended up catching longs into that 4 hour gap, anticipating CE to be hit basically. So let's go over on the 5 minute. So let's take this off for a sec. Actually, let me see. So just after market open, price comes up and takes out the London high, and then it retraces from there. So we still haven't tapped into that 4 hour gap. So from here, I'm kind of looking and I'm just seeing, but I overall want to see price come into CE of that 4 hour gap or just somewhere in that 4 hour gap. So I end up scrolling down to the 2 and then to the 1 minute. And what I see is this bearish fair value gap on the 1 minute. Price runs above it, and then I re-enter on the retest. So we get a good bit into profit, and I move my stop loss to break even at this point. And I end up getting stopped out break even on the first entry. Then price comes down, gives us this nice bullish close right here, and I enter again with my stop below the wick, and I target one take profit at the CE point of that 4 hour gap. I get in and out of this trade literally just about 1.15 R, and then from there price sells off. I don't get a chance to get in on the short. I tried to re-enter shorts up here. I got into a decent bit of profit, and then I ended up getting stopped out break even just because I wasn't a fan of how price was moving. So once again, price was delivering off of this 4 hour bullish fair value gap. It had already swept out London low in the pre-market. We had Asia low for sell side, and then I want to see price come up, take out London low, take out this New York PM high, and then come into the CE and then potentially look for rotation down. Again, price ended up taking out London high after market open, and I still want to see that CE point get hit. We inverse this 1 minute, we come back in and retest it. I take my first entry, get stopped out break even, re-enter again on this 1 minute close because I can see price is holding this 1 minute inverted fair value gap. I take one take profit at this point up here at the CE point, and that was it. Closed the trade right there. Alerted the Discord about this that I was taking it. I took low risk longs to CE in when I took the re-entry. All that stuff's in there. So yeah, check out the Discord. Link in the pinned comment and in the description. So that's going to wrap it up from you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Until the next one, give me a like, subscribe, comment in the video, check the links in my description. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.